guys, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm about to show you where my first job was, which is Alexander Steakhouse in Cupertino. This got me into the world of food, and I'm here to show my really dear friend Dan, who's the corporate pastry chef, a thing or two on making really cute meringues or marshmallows, because he is very technical, but he doesn't have the cute stuff. And you know, on this show, we are all about the cute stuff. So come on, follow me, let's go. Hi.
Hello. Oh God.
Is that not my favorite person in the whole wide world?
Why the fuck are you wearing a shirt yet?
This is my friend Dan. Oh my, he's not shy, guys. He's not really. He's been on TV only once.
Ready to do a 10?
Three. So this was my first major job in the industry. And I was like this cute little youngin'. And then he was like my boss pretty much, but I didn't respect him whatsoever.
That's more like your main competitor, your rival.
Yeah, so we have this ongoing competition that who can be the better pastry chef.
Well,
we're kind of.
our successes are different.
So he has me working, like actually working and helping him.
That's what we do in the kitchen. We work.
I know,
We
but
work and do things. We don't stand around and talk to cameras. Oh wait.
we do.
Oh, wait, we do.
We do.
£6 for your rent.
Crap. Okay,
Welcome to the kitchen life, dude.
I'm not used to this one. Okay. I didn't sign up for this.
How do you win competitions? Is it already made for you when it starts?
No, I just win because I'm talented as fuck. I am. He's just mad. He's just mad. He's just mad because I'm winning.
I didn't win, that's all, when I should have.
Yeah, so he was on top and he didn't really win. But we still support him because, you know, at least he tried.
It was better than the Super Bowl, man.
It was a good try, Dan. Maybe next time if they ever call him back.
A little rusty, aren't you?
Hello?
She's a little rusty.
Oh my god.
Her head's too big for that bowl.
I didn't sign up for this, guys. I came here to show him a thing or two, and now he's making me like look bad. Jeez. How rude. This
Physical work.
this
I know.
physical work right here that he's making me do.
You just used to everything's handed to you.
I thought it was just be like you little guy.
Nope. This is real life.
Oh, my arms. And that's why I'm not in the restaurant business anymore.
That's why I'm so buff.
Look at all the muscles, ladies. He's single. He has a job during COVID too.
And a car.
And a car.
And an apartment.
And I thought you got a house.
No.
Oh, he just got an apartment.
It's an apartment. I'm not a millionaire.
But anyways, he'll bake for you, he'll cook for you, he'll like spoon you with, you know, his amazing personality.
Or lack of.
I don't even think we're gonna get to the meringue today.
There we are.
No, we're
That's the only
not.
reason why you're here.
Wow. Did you hear that, guys? The only reason why I'm here is for meringues, and he's been making me do hella bitch work.
I gotta stress your time as well. And maximize your shit while you're here. I'm not dumb.
I've been maximized. What are you doing?
Birthday.
Look how cute these are! Oh my god! episode. I'm leaving him. Maybe I'll be back, who knows? I'll have to check if he wants me back. I know he does.
I can't wait.
Oh, you see the enthusiasm in his voice?
I already put it in my calendar. Never. Just kidding. Close to never.
Anyways, thanks guys. Thanks Dan for letting me hang out here. If you guys love this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button below, because I can't wait to share with you some more fun food adventures. Until next time, cheerio!